Hi guys, it's Sofea here and I'm back at XPEL Malaysia for my car's extra protection. So XPEL is installing the PPF, or better known as the paint protection film. And of course, I trust XPEL because they've been in the industry for over 25 years and they are even listed on NASDAQ for the XPEL DAP Design Access Program Paint Protection Film Pre-Cut System. In 2011, XPEL PPF is the first in the world to introduce a heat-activated, self-healing top coat. Plus, it provides a high anti-corrosion protection, which means I no longer have to worry about pesky bird droppings and acid rain damaging my car paint. Best part, after removing XPEL PPF, there will be no glue residue left on the car's paint. Pretty cool, right? PPF protects against stone chips, bug acids, tree saps, bird droppings, and more. There are two ways to cut the PPF, hand cut and pre-cut. Pre-cut reduces the risk of scratching your car during installation, as XPEL uses the Design Access Program DAP to shape and cut the film without using a blade. However, hand-cut PPF could scratch your car during installation because a sharp blade is required to trim the excess film. Now, it also needs to be stretched in order to adhere or to stick through the edges of the car. Now, if the film is overstretched, it will become thinner, therefore reduces the self-healing properties of the PPF. Pre-cut film requires more skills to install as it needs to be fitted correctly along the PPF lining, whereas hand-cut only needs a bigger or wider piece and a sharp blade to trim the excess film away. As most of you already know, pre-cuts sometimes leave gaps in between the film. Rest assured, the important parts are covered and protected. The DAP system can also be adjusted to provide a slightly wider coverage, similar to a full wrap. And if you're looking to keep your car for years to come, I highly recommend getting your XPEL Ultimate Plus Paint Protection Film installed by their great team of experienced professionals. They'll take care of your ride. Lastly, after installing the PPF, the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating is added for an extra layer of protection. XPEL coating is meant to protect the car paint and the PPF of the car. This coating enhances shine and improves surface clarity. Plus, it has hydrophobic properties which makes it easier to maintain. The coating also protects the car paint from contaminants such as bird droppings, bug acid, tar, and road grime. Now, my car is fully geared up with XPEL. To guarantee that you get genuine XPEL products, please remember, no e-warranty, no payment. This is to protect our rights as customers. You can log in to www.pro-xpel.com.my to check your XPEL product authentication right now. Mention my name, Sofea, and you will get a complimentary headlamp paint protection film worth 500 ringgit.